Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to remove digital creator label from Facebook profile. First of all, open the Facebook application. On the home screen, tap on the profile icon available at the top. Facebook profile menu will open. Tap on your Facebook account name that's available here. Your Facebook profile page will open. You can also see the digital creator label here which we want to remove. Tap on the three dots button in front of the advertise option. Profile settings will open. Here you will see an option of turn off professional mode. Tap on it. Next tap on continue. After that it will ask to turn off professional mode and tells that what's going to change and what's going to remain the same. Simply tap on the turn off button at the bottom center. The professional mode will be turned off successfully. So as the digital creator label will be removed. Now tap on the close button at the bottom and this is how you can remove digital creator label from Facebook profile.